අලුමෙන් හමර මේ වර ගින බයක බේරුගේ ඒකි ගවම් තක මේ තවලීම් හාසිල් කුර්මට කයි දතුරු කුරේ දෙන් මලේසියා के මිහාර හම වර ආමු කො දිවෙහින් අම මේ ඉතුර තවලීම් මති තවලීම් හාසිල් කුර අදා ගවමගේ ගොතුක මේ ෆාහ කුරෝනි හම මේ කාල ෆුරිසතෙක්ගේ වාහක අලුමෙන් දෙන් දක්කාල මේ ඔලනි my Qstudy එහෙනු යා ගුළුන් හරි මාලුමාත් මේ expo එක බේවමත යාරමුදාති ඒකමගේ මාලුමාත් අලුන් මෙන් දෙනි දෙබේෆල කොල්මන් නායකී කයි බෑර වඩන්නවා එක් බේෆල කි Qstudy ගේ මේ මලේසියා ගේ Qstudy ගේ ෆරාතුම් විජේ දෙන් my Qstudy ගේ ෆරාතුම් Maryam SHaufa mi country manager දෙබේෆලනස් program ගේ ෆරාතු වර හොන මරහබයි.
So good morning. Welcome, so thank you for being with us today. So how may I address you?
Vijay.
Only Vijay is
yeah,
fine,
just
right?
easy.
Okay.
Vijay.
So before we move into our main discussions, I would like to ask you a general question. Okay. So many visitors describe the Maldives as beautiful and like feel grateful to be here, right? That's probably the most popular answer so far. I knew it. So, but if you were to conduct research on one important area of the Maldives, okay, so what would you choose and why? Okay, the options are education, climate, culture.
For me.
Yeah.
Okay. Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you for having us here today this morning. One reason that I would choose Maldives, my main purpose. A lot of people come to Maldives for holiday. That is a popular word people say. But I come here for education. I've been coming here for almost about 10 years.
Yeah.
So my main purpose is for education, and I'm working with the young people here, vibrant, energetic, and all that.
Yeah.
So my reason is education.
You said you 10 years of how it changing from day one to now for as per education.
I think education nowadays, youngsters, teenagers in Maldives are very open, and they know what they want, and they are very sharp compared to those days. We have to talk and present to them what is a benefit to them. Now they already know in the grade 10, grade 9 what they want to do, and they are very sharp in choosing the career pathway, and they also know which country they want to go. So I think that is something that I see that the development of the youngsters, they're quite, I would say, quite sharp in their selections.
So you lead Qstudy Malaysia, right?
Yes.
So an organization, so many students are interested in to start. Could you explain what Qstudy Malaysia does and how it supports students?
Thank you very much. Qstudy been here for almost touching 10 years in Malaysia, and we have about 8 countries offices, 8 countries. One of it is in Maldives. Okay, and I think in Maldives we are the biggest in terms of sending out students to Malaysia, and we are the largest in terms of representing all over 45 universities with a direct contact with the university. That means we do not send students through a third party. We apply for students directly from ourselves, and we liaise with the universities directly. So Qstudy is here to assist students with the higher education assistance and selecting the right university and the right courses. And we do not work with universities that give problem and quality issues and all that in any part of the world. We only work with the premium universities. That's why you can see we represent the top 100, top 200, top 300 in the world.
Then expo එක වාහක අලුන් මෙන් මේ දක්කන කියන තෝ මේ expo ය ගුලේ ගොතු කොබතු expo ගේ තාරෆ ගන්න නැතේ තන්ත
මේ අලුන් මෙන් මේ expo කොරිය ගෙන්දනි January and 16 17 तो अलगन में हम एक्सपो बावा मिलाने हम में हायर एजुकेशन में बेरुग राज्य बेरुग हम बेणु फुलवा हुरिहा को दिन नवस बावेरे वे गोता मिसाल का को दिन केवम बेणु वाइट्स अनि है कों डिसाइड करनो लेवे होटसेस हम वडानम वे अलगन में एक्सपो इन नसंदरा बासेलोग 16th गइनानी 5 to 10 and then 17th गइनानी 3 in Fishkin and reganda de hajahanda हम वर बावर मालूमात लेबन almost 20 वरक universities अन्नाने हम directly you can talk and decide konkahala me koseto konkahala university ka to dambena me
then me expo ta mi hasagotika Malaysia ga kiyawa maragina expo ta hama mi fursatan hulwalum ge gotu maragina expo ta beve ko bato mi expo ge khasa kamaki
mi expo ke hasa kamaki the algon men offer korange to wara bavaru ane scholarship offers from the universities was algon discounts was lebana mi ane visa fee waiver kahala ekala kankam was algon menge expo teren hama fenigen daanenge to ko denna ehme ekala wara bavaru ane mi surprises ahama de aye for students.
So next question is for you. So does my Qstudy offers any rewards like scholarships or recognition programs for students, and how do these benefit and motivate students academically?
Okay, good. Like my colleague Maryam
Yeah.
Told about the expo and everything, even though I don't speak in Dhivehi, but I can understand little, she said about the expo. So during this expo, we have 20 over universities, okay, and we have a representative from certain countries that study in China and Europe and all that. So they are offering scholarship, not us, they are offering scholarship. For O-level graduates, they're getting foundation 100% scholarship. For A-level, they have a percentage of scholarship and 50% partial, or depending on their results. These are the benefit that they are getting from the expo. They can meet the universities and speak to them directly. On our side, Qstudy, what benefit we are giving them? We do not do lucky draw for students, and all that, because lucky draw only 1 or 2 will get, or 10 will get. But we have hundreds of students applying. So what we do is we give reward this time. They can choose either one of the reward based on which university they apply. First reward is we refund or we waive the visa fee that they are paying upon arrival to Malaysia. Within 60 days after the visa is successfully completed, we refund back the waiver of the visa. So they get back their visa fee they pay. Second, we give them first, one-way ticket from Maldives to Malay to the destination they're going, or they can get a cashback, depends on which university doing. These are the reward they get on top of application that they're doing, and we do definitely full visa processing, assisting them in the loan application. We also does a very good service for them, which is we pick up them from the airport. For 2026, we are doing something different. We do not only pick up the students, we can also pick up the family members. No matter how many of them coming and all that, we are giving that kind of services, picking up them and going to the universities, and also arranging hostels and everything for them, including medical checkup and everything. And not forgotten, for family who are coming together, we are also assisting them with dependent pass, dependent visa for the family or spouse and all that.
Then tawli maki hama mihar hasagote ka belenevering ya wara boda samal kan de te mi O level nimmu maffahu adi A level nimmu maffahu hama mi kiyew mattaka wara gina doruta mihar huloi famoni rajyege kanyanu rajyen beru gave sama e fursatta mi wani hulifa e kala fursatte ke wahaka alun menna mihar me dakkamu mi danide tafat ekeki expo ta kurenga bade hasagote ka mi beruge ekeki university e takun kiyewumge fursat fahi kodinumge fursatta vese bali bigende den hama mi ekeka मी राज्य का वैसे मिफ़द तफ़ाते कि मी राज्य की यूनिवर्सिटी तक के मी तफ़ाते की फुर्सत तब से बली लिपिकेंदे देख मी कोरिया में होती हम मिहार मी ग्रेड दिहे का किया मी किया वो उनके वहाँ का देखे हुए थी कि ग्रेड दिहे का किया वहाँ खुद ना मी हम वरक मी महु के आशा विश्वना तो एक खुद इंगे मी ओ लेवल एग्जाम हासिल करते दिवे इस्लाम मी फशनी एक खुद वरत तैयार मुंडा देंगोंडा ने ओ लेवल निम्मु मुफ़ा एक खुद मी इतुरा कियावानी तो नोने वजीफा कदानी तो एनमु निम्मा वगुत मिहार दें हम मी कियवम के वाह के आइकी का हम हितंगरनी वर गिना एक्सपो तक के वाह का मी देखे मी एक्सपो इन दें हम वर गिना कंत तक के वाह का दे में फाह का कुरवा फिहास का देगा विसा के कंत तक मी दें मी खुदिन लिबेन इतुर फुर्सत तक के वाह का वैसा मी विजय वस फाह का कोते वा और मी हितंगरनी मी komme ama expo mi fursat mi kal fursat tange ba fahi kote mi maikyo expo mi nama kiwegen to mi hiyar kuram mi rajya bera mi hasakote placement hotu muka
anwar rangal sawal henga tate aso algan ga amilla experience en bonana algan was mi ane hama Qstudy my Qstudy ga faratum bera kiwende ha ko zame and then what is special about them e galgon bonalani hama feshigen nimenden ane algon men ete huriha kame koda ko ane me kudinna ane me kikabana huriha kame salga men kodde hama ekani ane application nenno eta misalka loan na lam beenumwa kodenna loan na lang ehiteri womuge hisabum feshigen application ge hisabum ane me application university alla fa ekodena approval libigen ekola gossa mitano mi fonowani e horiha masekate ko fa Malaysia engata de Malaysia kolon balai ganna kudin airport engata em horiha komme tana korna mi horiha services anna dan so A to Z algon men e horiha kamas balai da e kudin evis waraka mi ka kikabana ekani variant dula nokallana Malaysia gossa kase engata ham algon men gossa kodin settle one them bal hama durai gaton algon men kodin e hitere vedamon daane engata kolon ehme so
So with many study abroad consultants available, so what makes Qstudy stand out, and why should Maldivian students choose Qstudy for their overseas education placement?
That's a good question. Okay, talking about it, like I said earlier, we do not send the students' application through a third party. We have a direct appointment as authorized for the universities directly. So I think we are the only one in Maldives who represent all the public universities for postgraduate programs, masters, PhD from the government universities. So we handle all government universities application. And then we also handle unique foreign branch campuses like Southampton, Newcastle, Reading, Harrier-Ward, talk about all the foreign universities in Malaysia, we handle that. So for private universities like Taylor's, we have Sunway, APU, all the top universities. Petronas, we are the only one who represent for Petronas. We have one unique students who doing integrated engineering program, which is 4-in-1, and only 50 students are selected per year. One is from Maldives, is from us.
How many years?
Petronas University only select 50 top students to be in that program, and we are proud to say they only have 2 international students. One is from Maldives.
Oh.
So these are the unique things that students don't know. So if you get a wrong consultancy that saying that only this university is good, only this university, because maybe they might not have options. We have all the options. We will tell them which program is good for which universities. So that is why we are unique, and we are not doing this in a part-time mode or on a freelance mode. We are serious, and we are located in 8 countries, and we have largest number of students coming from the Middle East. We have in Central Asia, Uzbekistan. So we are quite diverse in terms of nationality in Malaysia. We take care of the students, and we do step in to help the students. So one of the classic example, sitting next to me, she was recruited by us, and then she came back here. She did her internship and all that. She worked in Malaysia, and now she been recruited by us, and we arrange. We have 3 alumni in our office from Maldives, so we give this kind of opportunity. We recommend things. Even students, they got delay on the loan. We help them with the pocket money. We do a lot of assistance. They are sick. We also recommend if they contact the right people. So the students in Maldives, they have to contact our student service department in Malaysia. So then they will get the right thing. So we have formed a new team now in the student service to serve them better in terms of giving cashback and all that, because we don't want to have too many layers of communication. So now they directly can contact our visa department, student service, hostel and everything. So there's something unique about us.
Then me hitangarani me fanar sol satar me deto me expo kuryadar me be hasagotika Malaysia mati talim hasil kuram benuwa kudinna kine kongotaka toti be fulung expo tereng e kudinnang ehi ter comfort koten
me expo terega man student annairoga tiben hamalgan menge me and university representatives located inside the room then ham ekodeng as and miharu algan menge me staff already register kofatibe kodenna wahaka dakkamandane eto bike kodenna ke ham specifically waki university benum waki university hodam wegen an expo yang anna koden eta em ekoden nan algon men tibena direct kolla den ham algon men ge numbers banal dif tibena ba koden ham as they can find us and we will be ham guiding them through ham university career gosse university aka wahaka dakkala ham university kum benumwa puri ham malumaten ekoden libena eta
den almen nan waran muhim kame detto malumat hoduma malumat libigatu den expo එක wahaka dakkairu baybe funaki දෙවේනේ බේෆුන් අනේ බේෆුන් නැකි ගේක තිබෙක මාලුමත් බේනු අනේ බේෆුන් දෙ කොබාතෝ මේ ඉන්සම් ත හමජි ෆෝති කිහිනත
අදල්ගන් මෙන් ගානේ ඉවෙන්ට් කවර් කොදන්නේ તો PSM members then අල්ගන් මෙන් හම online කොවස් platform තකොන් events ක මේ වාහක දක් අනේ Instagram වස් Facebook වස් reach out කरा හොරියා කොදෙන්නව සම එගඩීගේ ජවාබ්දාරි වමන් දාන්නේ તો already event ka so kom hem sal ka na deve kodennaves algan menge team hama at the back end ham tebani ekodenna hama me huswegen basically to
දැන් අල්මෙන් හැම වරම උපාවර මාලුමාතික ලැබෙන්නේ මෙදනි හාස ගොතේ ගාර්මෙන්ගේ මේ දිවෙහි මේ O level nimma darivenunaki abaduwas fahi fursatakan edi tibe darivena ma ekuga mi fada fursataki hama gamues ege venun emme hegotuga ekudenna digindaani kamekama hasino medu korange
kobato nimmadamge kuring mi expo yagula egotun vidalwan kikut
nimmalum koren argon banalane hama wara rangal fursatike me hama horiha kodenwas me koran annam wiye argon me hama tibena me te kodena hama horiha gotakomwas ehi tere den aluganden inge aso mati tawlem hoda mehem berat diyo me wara bodu like fiyawale ega visnanje wara bawra kantan honnan na ham alugan men e horiha step ga ehi tere den she mehere hen alugan bonalam ben please don't miss this opportunity.
Do you want to add anything?
Yeah. So we're having an event on 16-17 in Basilo.
Yeah.
We are proud to announce that Education Malaysia Global Services, EMGS CEO and the team will be having a booth there, and he will be part of the opening ceremony at 4 p.m. And we are proud to announce Diragu is our official partner for media, and I think there is one milestone that we want to share too. And once done in Mali, students in Adu and Formula can wait for their turn. We are also going to Formula and Adu, okay, and they can check it out. And I think we are having a session on the 17th for alumni to meet up with the CEO of EMGS, because EMGS is part of the Ministry of Higher Education of Malaysia. They are here, and they can also check the courses and all that. All the universities who are attending are all MQA approved. And we have Italian design, top design university, China university, European university, Australian universities also there. So we would like to invite parents and students and for those working adult who want to find out about PhD program, master program, please come over. We have Malaysian government universities to provide them all the solutions.
So thank you for joining us today and for the valuable information that you have shared with us. So we wish my Qstudy continuous success.
Thank you very
much.
much.
Shukriya inge tarun program ti heda kolle babutu golta ko umeed kurani mifada mawdu mata diwe salmenna me venuwa hate gati be from available waane kamai get